Ever found yourself caught in the conundrum of an app versus a web application? What's the difference, you may ask? And more importantly, which one is better for scaling your business? An app, or a native application, is a software application developed for use on a specific platform or device. Think of it like a local store, tailor-made to fit seamlessly into the neighborhood. It's designed to perform a specific task, and it does so efficiently. The tailored experience of apps makes them a preferred choice for many. They're fast, they can work offline, and they're more interactive, with access to system resources like GPS and camera functions. But everything that glitters is not gold. Developing an app can be costly and time-consuming. Each platform, whether it's iOS, Android, or Windows, requires a separate version of the app. And let's not forget the ongoing costs of app updates and maintenance. Now, let's shift gears to web applications. Imagine a big department store that's open to everyone, regardless of where they're from. That's a web application for you. It's a client-server software application that's stored on a remote server and delivered through the internet via a browser interface. A web application is accessible from any device with an internet connection and a web browser, making it universally accessible. Web applications have their own set of perks. They're flexible, easy to maintain, and can be updated without requiring users to download anything. Plus, they're cost-effective as they don't need to be developed for multiple platforms. But no rose without a thorn. Web applications require an internet connection to function. They also don't have the same level of access to system resources as native apps, which can limit functionality and interactivity. In the battle of app versus web application, it's not about which is superior, but rather which is more suitable for your business. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution with easy maintenance and universal accessibility, a web application is your best bet. But if your business needs a more interactive platform with offline capabilities, an app might be the way to go. Remember, an app is like a local store, tailor-made for a specific platform, offering fast, interactive user experiences. Whereas a web application is like a department store, accessible to everyone with easy maintenance and updates. Consider your business needs, your target audience, and your resources before making a decision. And remember, whether you pick an app or a web application, the focus should always be on delivering value to your customers. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about the platform, it's about the experience you deliver.